In today's inbox audit, we help an 11-person accounting team use AI to improve their client response times. We'll get into the exact prompt that we used, how to test it, and just give you a really practical use of AI. Let's get into it.
This should be assigned to Devin. He's the accounting manager for this client. The end goal would be to be assigned to him. For a different client, it'd be assigned to someone different. The goal is to have faster customer support handling. And
Okay.
with so many emails of just like bills and stuff, accounting managers aren't always just like looking at these inboxes, watching for it. They're doing accounting stuff in QuickBooks, but they would see assigned to me before they would see just all these team inboxes.
So Miller has one team inbox for each of his clients, and each client has a different accounting team assigned to it. Some emails need to be escalated to the accounting managers while others do not, but they all come into the same team inbox. Lewis helps Miller create an automation that leverages AI's capabilities on understanding the contents of emails.
This rule should only work for the first email in a thread. So the first condition is going to be click on from and then select a number of messages or something like that. Yeah, number of messages in a conversation is 1, so that's good. Let's add a condition, and it would be AI prompt at the bottom. And here's where I need a little bit of your help. So how would you define a customer support request?
It would be from our client or an employee at our client's company. It would be expressing a concern or just have a simple question about an error or question about anything they're looking for.
If you're new to AI, creating the right prompt is a key skill. Based on Miller's description, here's the original prompt that we came up with. Is this email a question, concern, error, or just something that we need to respond to? Or is it a simple invoice from a vendor that just needs to be paid? If it is the former, simply respond with yes. We're going to show you how you can test your prompts and fine-tune them until you get the outcome that you're looking for.
Which model?
The first one. Yeah.
I was going to assign.
Can you click on log prompt results in conversations? Okay. So this will show you the result of the prompt so that you can see if you need to tweak it or not. You still have the prompt in your clipboard. So let's close this and go to a customer support question. Okay, let's go to the first email. Can you copy the body of the email and then paste it in the send a message? Yeah. Can you go to the rules? Let's go to the AI rule. We need to copy the prompt.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we go back to the text input area of the integration and just paste it. Yeah, you can hit enter. It didn't just answer with yes or no. Can you paste the prompt again and send a message? And then let's modify this a little bit so that it understands this better. Is the email that I'm going to copy below about a question, etc., etc.?
If the email is about a question, concern, error, or something we need to respond to, simply respond with yes. Okay.
And then I'll copy the email. Yeah. Okay. So that would have triggered, it would have triggered the rule, which would have assigned this email to you. So if we do the same thing for an invoice, it shouldn't reply anything back, and therefore it wouldn't assign it to you.
I don't mind if I have to set up a new role for each team inbox. I only have to do it once every time we get a new client, and then it can be assigned to the specific accounting manager. Yeah, I love that.
You can test it with one team to see if you get false positives or not, so that you can refine the prompt. And
Yeah.
once it's really solid, then you do it for the other 65 team inboxes, so that you don't have to change the prompt every time that you're tweaking it.
And then when I get really crazy with it, when my app can accept bills forwarded in from email, I'll let it automatically read those, catch those invoices that are just simple new invoices, forward it to an email. My app can handle OCR and upload it for approval. If we're missing the insurance on the vendor, then send a message back to us or something.
You can see that we're just scratching the surface of what AI can do for small businesses. Let us know what you thought of this inbox audit in the comments below. If you'd like to see any specific setups, also let us know, and we'll see you in the next one.